how to save videos to offline on TikTok. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go on your settings. Then once you're on your settings, now from here you're gonna have to click on general. Now from here you're gonna have to click on iPhone storage. And as you guys can see, I have a lot of storage, but if your storage is full, most likely this is not gonna work. So if you have a lot of storage, it's most definitely gonna work. So what you have to do, just go back on TikTok. Now from here you're gonna have to click on the three dots all the way to the right corner. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on settings and privacy. Then once you click on settings and privacy, you're gonna have to scroll down till you find offline videos. Just click on that. So as you guys can see, you could download up to 200 videos on TikTok. You could do 50, 100, 150, 200. So just choose whatever you want. Now from here, just click on download. And as you guys can see, my videos are downloading. And after a while, your videos are gonna be downloaded. So even if you turn your Wi-Fi off, you could still scroll and see the videos. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.